The sweet sound of camping. Oh, hey, how's it going? So it's a little late. This is first part of September. Tonight we're going to do some sweet Italian sausages. So spicy Italian sausages. This is going to be really, really good. Show you how we're going to do it. We're going to boil everything in beer. We're going to put them on the barbecue, splash those up. These are going to be so good. Stay tuned. So we're going to put, I've already cut up some green pepper, red pepper, some onions, some jalapenos. Ooh, jalapenos. And I've got this box of milk that smells like farts. That's really, really good. This is beautiful sauerkraut, though. This is going to be so good. I'm going to put this all in there along with the meat. We're going to boil this up on the Barbie, and then we're going to grill them after. This is going to be epic. Epic. All right. Barbecue's on. Take some of Joanne's cheap beer, Ultra Michelob. And what we're going to do, we're going to take these old sausages. Take this off for a second. Let this go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these sausages and you need to stab your meat. Oh, if I can. Stupid fork. I have the perfect stabbing tool. This will let the beer in. Keep them nice and moist. And then I hear my dog in moaning in disgust that I would do this. Because what we're going to do, slam these bad boys right in there. Stick them on the barbecue. Add some beer.
My poor beer.
Oh, so good. So good, so good. Take my vegetables, put them in there as well. Nice. It's not complete until you have added some sauerkraut. Mama likes the sauerkraut. I like the sauerkraut. Uki does not like the sauerkraut. There we go. Just, you know what? It's all going to go to waste. So let's just throw that in. Look at that goodness right there. Perfect. All right. We're going to let that simmer. Have a few drinks, let that simmer. Then we're going to slam it on the barbecue. Stay tuned. It's going to be. We like garlic, so we're also going to add some garlic to this. Look, you're camping, right? You can't go wrong. I mean, you know, you throw whatever vegetables you got into this. There's no big deal. This is just going to go. We'll let these simmer. I'm going to flip the sausages midways, and then I'll grill them. So then we'll add the hot vegetables onto the bun. It's going to be great.
How long are you going to cook them for?
I'm not going to tell you. It's a secret. I'm going to do them till they're cooked. Probably going to do 10 minutes, and then I'm going to flip them, and then I'll put them on the grill just to brown them up, firm them up. It's gonna be great. Oh, pardon me.
No, that's not going in the video. That is not going in the video.
That was really good. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Let's have a look. Boiling away. Yes, indeed. Look at that. Scrumptious. Look at those sausages. Ooh, yeah. I'm going to flip these guys. Put them on for another couple minutes. And stick them on the Barbie. Oh, yeah. And all those vegetables right into the sausage, right into the